Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for all things creative and inspiring. Today I'm super excited to share my 2025 bullet journal setup with you guys. This year I decided to go with a cat theme, playful, adorable, and a little quirky, just like me. In this video, I'm walking you through every single page I have set up, sharing how I use them to stay organized, track my goals, and a splash of creativity to my everyday life. Whether you're a journaling pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So grab a cup of tea or coffee if you're channeling those cat vibes. And let's dive right into my 2025 bullet journal setup. As you can see for the front cover, I kept it clean and minimal, simple 2025 numbering with purple colors for highlighting and some colorings of purple color with a brush. For playful and cute vibes, I added a cute cat peeping out from a page. This image was inspired from Pinterest, which I loved, so I did it. First, I did the outline for the cat, then I started coloring it. I added some fur effects, but it didn't come as I thought. But it's okay, it's all about creativity and having fun of making it. Now for the eyes, I went with green color eyes which looked attractive. White highlights always make any picture so lively. I just love the way it came out. I just love those eyes. And I also added some white highlights for the numberings. And I also added some cat paws around the page, which I have continued throughout the bujo, which kept it cute. This sets the tone for the entire journal, fun, charming, and full of personality. It's simple, but I love it. Instantly puts me in a creative mood. Next up is my year in pixels page. This is one of my favorite trackers because it gives such a colorful overview of the entire year. It's a simple grid formation which in the end looks so colorful. This picture was my last year in pixel. I decided to draw a stack of cats of different emotions. And for the font, I kept it simple using starting letter of word in caps in bubble font. As you can see, I am drawing a rectangular box with 12 columns and 31 rows. I have created a mood color code using cat paw prints from excited and happy to those tougher days when I might feel anxious, tired, or even need a good cry. Each day I will mark my mood with a corresponding color, and by the end of the year this page will be so vibrant snapshot of my emotional journey. And here I am adding a simple calligraphy text. Then we have the year at glance page. Since this journal will only cover the first half of the year, I have divided it into 6 columns. It's perfect for keeping track of important dates, birthdays, or deadlines at a glance. The simplicity makes it functional and easy to use. I also added a simple calligraphy text. I named each column with a month and also added a little cat paw prints around it. The cat paw prints are adding some playful and cute vibes. I just love how the page turned out. Setting goals is such an important part of my life, so I dedicated a special page to it. I'm drawing 5 cat paw prints. Each paw prints represent a different area of my life, which may be personal, career, academics, health, and passion. I will be filling this in with actionable goals for 2025. I love how this design combines functionality with a playful touch. Next is a page that's both practical and fun. I have split it into 2 sections, one for brainstorming random ideas and the other for shopping lists. Whether it's a sudden burst of creativity or a list of things I need or bought this year, this page will keep everything organized. As I love traveling, my travel section is one I'm really looking forward to filling. These pages are for writing about my adventures or pasting photos from my trips. I can't wait to capture all the amazing places I will visit this year. Now, this is one of the boldest designs in my journal, my period tracker. Just like the year in pixels, I will mark each day of my period with a color. It helps understanding my period cycle and gives me reminded for the next cycle. I went all out with a spooky black cat and blood details all over the page and blood paw prints all over. It might be dramatic, but it's super functional, and that's cheeky stay away warning. That's just for fun. I must say, this is my favorite page of all pages, and it's very functional for especially those girls having PCOS. For my fellow content creators, this one's for you. My social media tracker is all about progress. I have added some colors for the period tracker and a small text for social media tracker. I have added a cat themed icons for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp where I will log my growth and milestones. It's a cute and motivating way to stay consistent. Calling all book lovers, this is my books read page where I will join down the titles of all the books I have read throughout the year. I created a cute bookshelf with a lot of untitled books for me to enter in it and with cats and plants as decor. Next to it, I have added an overview page to track stats of all the months of the year, like how many books I read each month, whether they were ebooks or physical copies, and my favorite read of the month. These pages are a must for keeping my reading habits organized. I have kept simple calligraphy style for title font. I have also included a tracker for series and movies. Every time I watch something new, I will write it down here. It's a great way to remember all the stories I have loved throughout the year. Gratitude is such an important part of life, so I have dedicated a page to it. Each month, I will write down things I'm thankful for. Next to it is a sorry page where I will reflect on moments I might need to apologize for or learn from. These pages keep me grounded and reflective. Final page is for my moments of the year page. It's for sticking photos or momentums of the most special times of each month. By the end of the year, this page will be a beautiful collage of memories. And that's my 2025 bullet journal setup. I hope you enjoy this walkthrough of my cat theme spreads. I had so much fun creating this, and I can't wait to see how it evolves throughout the year. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And let me know which page was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay creative and have a awesome 2025.